Now he's inside, set to go now, race number 8. This is Rungkao Grace Park Boys running by the racing in third. What chances run Artistic Star West Dream, William Cape and Hidden Eagle is the early trailer. We have Rungkao by Oralang Grace Park Boy in second alongside third. What chances run Artistic Star is racing in fourth. And Cape West Dream, Hidden Eagle now in sixth. And William Cape now racing in last. Inside the half mile. And that's the Rungkao by only 2 lengths. Here comes Wachenzo's run. Now moving up to take second. Artistic Star is on the outside third. Hidden Eagle now coming closer on the outside fourth. But it's still Rungkao. Wachenzo's run. Artistic Star, Hidden Eagle on the outside fourth. Rungkao still in front by about 2 lengths. Wachenzo's run now coming closer on the outside second. Hidden Eagle in third. As they come down at the last of it, Rungkao, Wachenzo's run. Hidden Eagle is on the outside. Rungkao, Wachenzo's run now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Wachenzo's run. Rungkao, Hidden Eagle, and finally Wachenzo's run. Rungkao, Hidden Eagle, Race Park Boy, Artistic Star West Dream, and William Cape.
Okay, bayan karelista ang ating pong unofficial winner para dito sa ating race number 8, entry number 5, the favorite, that's Wachenzo's run. Masa segundo numero 3, Rungkao, numero 2, Hidden Eagle, and 1 horse, that's Grace Park Boy. That's 5, 3, 2, and 1 para dito sa ating race number